Hello guys, so in the previous video I made about blowing up my funded account. So I also showed you in that previous video that I purchased another eval with Blue Guardian futures of $25,000 and I'm currently trading that eval. So and what happened this week I'm going to show you in this video. So let's get started. So first let me show you my dashboard. So this is my dashboard. In the previous video I show you till 20th Jan, and now I will tell you what happened on these days and how I traded, which trades I took. I'm going to show you all of these. So let's start with 21st January. So 21st January was a pretty decent day. I took two trades on 21st January. So the first trade was this. This was the first trade on 21st January, in which the price wasn't very premium, and I was expecting a retracement to the equilibrium of the range I marked here, and there was an unfilled imbalance also. So my drawn liquidity was this unfilled imbalance, and I was targeting here. So there was an internal sweep and an SMT in 1 minute time frame. This is a 1 minute time frame chart, and after seeing the SMT and the liquidity sweep here, internal sweep, I saw that there was an inverse fair value gap also. I marked it and I entered here. My SL was right here on the swing high, and I was targeting this imbalance. So you can see all the details of the trade also. I took this trade on 11:15 a.m. My drawn liquidity was imbalance. I marked this trade as a B plus trade, and price was super bullish. I was expecting some retracement after seeing the SMT and 1 minute manipulation. It is not 5 minute. It is 1 minute. I took the trade on 1 minute inverse fair value gap. This is a 5 minute chart here, and there was a 5 minute manipulation also. As you guys can see, there was a 5 minute SMT also. So this was a pretty solid trade, and after taking this trade my account was up $200 for the day. But I continued trading the PM session also, and I took many bad trades. I just crashed out. My account was up $200, and then I took many bad trades in the PM session, and I lost $750. So on total on that day I lost minus $550 because I made $200 in the AM session. So let's get forward to the next day on 22nd January. On 22nd January I took only one trade. Let me see. Yes, I took only one trade. It was a pretty good trade. Let me show you. It was a 3-hour trade. Yes. So price was hanging out here. It tapped this 15-minute FVG, and there was an SMT also in 5 minute and 15 minute. So this was a nice indication that price wants to go lower. And after seeing this 5 minute fair value gap got inversed, I entered immediately, and my SL was at these highs. I targeted 3-hour. So it was a solid trade. I made $600. I recovered the previous day loss in a single trade, and I logged out. On the 21st January, what mistake I did, that I should have logged out after the first profit, because that is my rule, but I didn't follow it and I continued trading PM session. I thought I will make another $100-200. It will be good, but I lost minus $550. So yeah, let's move forward to 23rd January. On 23rd January, I took two trades. The first trade was a loss. Let me show you. Yes. So this was a trade. There was a 5 minute SMT on the chart, and price was at in some fair value gap also. After seeing this SMT and this 1 minute inversion, I took the trade. However, my drawn liquidity was lower, but my sole reason of taking this trade was mainly this 5 minute SMT. So after this 1 minute IFVG, I took this trade, and it was a loss. It was choppy for some time, and then it hit the stop loss. And as you guys can see, the next trade here, there was an SMT in 5 minute here. So my drawn liquidity was also lower. So after seeing this SMT and 1 minute inversion, this is the 1 minute inversion, I set the limit order here on this 1 minute inversion, and price tapped here. My limit order was my order was filled. I was in the trade. My SL was here, and I exited at 2 hours. So yes, so this was the trade. This was the second trade that I showed you. This is the 5 minute time frame. There was a 5 minute SMT also. My first trade was based on this 5 minute SMT, and second trade was based on this 5 minute SMT. However, my drawn liquidity was lower, so I should have waited and should have not taken this trade, but I took it. So yeah, as you guys can see, price was into premium, some retracement was mandatory, SMT with yes, 5-minute manipulation, and entry on 1-minute inverse fair value gap. And on the first trade, what can I improve? I should have waited more, no need to be in a hurry. On 26 January, I didn't trade, I was traveling, and first I thought that I will trade on my phone, but when I logged in Project X on my phone, some gold chart was open. I thought it was NQ chart and I took a trade, and after seeing that it is gold, I quickly closed it and decided not to trade on my phone. And today is 27th and I will trade today. So currently my account is sitting at plus $1,000 profit, and I need $500 more in order to pass the account. So I will let you guys know in the next video if I pass this account or not.